Have you ever wondered what shellfish eat? Hi, I'm Rory McNish, and this is a Cornell Marine Minute Monday. Shellfish are filter feeders, meaning they feed by straining suspended matter out of the water column, in this case, algae. Algae are a diverse group of aquatic organisms that have the ability to conduct photosynthesis. They can be classified as macro and microalgae. Shellfish filter microalgae out of the water as their food source. Just like us, shellfish need a well-balanced diet. How would you feel if you ate the same meal every day for the rest of your life? Shellfish need to consume different species of algae in order to meet all their nutritional needs. They also consume different sized microalgae species during different stages of their life cycle. This has been a Cornell Marine Minute Monday produced by Cornell Cooperative Extension Marine Program.